In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pinterest not working or not loading images. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This issue is often caused by a weak or unstable network, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, make sure any VPN is turned off, as it can sometimes block or slow down image loading on Pinterest. You can also refresh your connection by turning airplane mode on and off. This helps reset your network and can quickly fix loading issues. If Pinterest still isn't loading images, the next step is to restart the app and try again. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the Pinterest app. This will remove any corrupted files and install a fresh version of the app, which usually fixes the issue. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Pinterest not loading images. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.